I don't care what fragrance I'm wearing. This is the body. Hello beautiful besties and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back besties. I'm heading out right now and I'm going to speak on a panel with YouTube. How exciting. Thank you YouTube for having me. I don't know about you, but for me, it's starting to take me even longer to get ready these days. So I want to hear from you right off the bat. How long does it take you to get ready? When it comes to getting ready, I find that the longest part on me getting ready, not my hair, not my makeup, not choosing an outfit, not trying on clothes, taking them off, trying them back on, seeing what else works, not finding a bag, not finding shoes to match my outfit. It's my fragrance. It's picking a fragrance for the day, for the occasion, for the event, for the vibe. What do I feel like? And today I am so confused, you guys. I have a little bit of everything. I'm speaking on a panel, so I don't want to be too invasive, too in anyone's face. Then afterwards, I am going out. My guy's taking me out, and I'm super excited about that. So it's kind of like a date night vibe going on, and then a lounge or something like that. You know what I mean? So I do need something that's kind of sexy. So I'm gonna just share with you what I have and what I've started with already. Of course, you already know it started with some soap and water. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're new here and you like the vibe, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. And those of you that think you're subscribed, maybe you're not, so check down. Look at that red button right there. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you come over and say hi on Instagram. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it started with some soap and water. I went in with my Alma Divina, and of course I doused myself in the Alma Divina. This is a revitalizing body oil. Everything that I'm speaking about today is going to be linked in the description box for you below, along with it's going to be linked on one of the sides of the screen. A little shopping basket will come up thanks to our friends at YouTube, and you will be able to click right there and shop it without leaving the video and shopping from the comfort of your own home dwelling. So yes. So anyways, you guys, I started with the soap and water, got out of the bath, then I drenched myself with the Alma Divina body oil. Immediately, I'm not gonna hold or keep you. I'm not gonna even play those games. I wanted to go in with Valencia because I love that. I know that combo. I know it gives. I know it's long lasting. I know that it projects. I know that the peach notes in there matches with the body oil. It's just a win-win, right? But I was like, girl, you have got to stop spraying Valencia. So this was a runner-up, and I'm not gonna even hold you again. I sprayed a little bit on, pick somebody else, because at this point, it's like my good luck charm, okay? It's my blessing. It's my favor. I don't know. It's just something about me and this fragrance that we go together real bad. So yes, I did put just a tad bit on. Now, every time for the past 2 years, I want to say, or however long it's been out, whenever I get out of the shower and after I put my body oil on, I don't care what fragrance I'm wearing. This is a body mist, I call it. This is a body mist that I go in with. This came out a few years ago from Chanel. It's their body mist. It's called N1, number 1. It's fresh, it's clean. It's a very floral, but it's not like heavy floral. It's more fresh, clean than anything. I have tons of dedicated reviews to this on my channel. I don't know the notes offhand. Maybe I'll put them on the screen, but this is good. I put this on like a body mist, just like this. This is probably my 4th one. I just buy it. I love how it smells. It's very comforting. You guys, it's beautiful. So I always put this on. So this is like my body spray, my body splash. Okay, so then I was going to go in with Herba Pura, or Herba Gold, I should say. I've been talking about this like crazy. This is going to get on you, hold you tight, and never let you go. So that's why I was thinking about this, because I was like, I know this is long lasting. I know this is going to be here for a long time, a good time, a dusk till dawn, if you will. It's going to fit the bill for all of that. But then again, it is so loud and so in your face. And I spray heavy, like 10, 15, 20, 25 sprays. Pick somebody else, that's how she sprays. And I was thinking, girl, no. So what I did is I sprayed a tad bit at the bottom because I'm going to be wearing heels, so my ankles will be out. And yes, she sprays the back of her ankles. If you know, you know. Just a tad bit though, just a tad bit. This is like fruity. It's got like pear, it's got melon. It's like a fruit basket, but it's really strong. It's very tropical. It's like a tropical vacation, tropical vibes. It's sexy. It's daytime and evening appropriate. It's date. It's a bit much. I would never wear this as a signature scent. This is definitely doing something. So yeah, but this is really good. This is gonna get on you, hold you tight, and never let you go. So I did put a tad bit of this on, and then I got stuck, and I'm like, what else do I want to wear? This will be linked in the description box below. I got this from Twisted Lily, and I do have a 10% off discount code with Twisted Lily. So everything that I have a discount code for, it's gonna be linked down below too. So don't forget to check the description box. I move on. If you're not new to the channel, you know that I talk about Creed Aventus for her all the time. This is like my boss fragrance, my boss vibe. And since I'm going to YouTube and I'm going to be speaking on a panel, should I say she's a boss, Cheraye? I'm just saying. So I was thinking maybe I'll go there, because typically I'll wear a Chanel fragrance for an event like that, or I'll wear something like Creed Aventus for her. But this, when I smelled it, although it's giving everything, I don't think I want to be this girl. Fresh, clean, crisp apple note inside, bergamot, patchouli, pink pepper, rose, sandalwood, blackcurrant. It's beautiful. It's so sexy. It's so good. It's a sexy kind of boss fragrance. It's commanding, but then at the same time, she knows her worth. So we're not here to play no games. Don't get your feelings hurt. Okay, it's one of those. So this is, I still might rock this, but I just want something to sweeten it a little bit. You know what I mean? Because there's no sweetness here to me. It's all more like refined. It's all more like fresh. It's in your face. It's patchouli, it's sandalwood, it's rose, but I don't get any sweet. I need a little vanilla. I need a little bit of like musk. I need something, and this doesn't have it. So I don't know, but this is in the running. Okay, so I would say this is an amazing fragrance. If you haven't tried it, you need to get your nose on it. I move on because I'm on this fruity, tropical, girly, foo-foo lala era of life right now. That's just where it is for me. I thought about and contemplated Andromeda because Andromeda is really, really good. To be honest with you, the time I leave out of here, I'm gonna have everything on. Gosh, this is good. Oh, this might be the one. Because this is daytime appropriate. And this has the sweetness and the freshness. This is very fruity, very tropical. This is good. Andromeda. Do I have notes here for this? Yeah, this is bergamot. It has violet leaves, rose, pear, heliotrope, coconut powder, amber, vanilla, tonka bean. See, do you see what I mean? Powdered sugar. This is the sweetness that I wanted. So I don't know if I mix Creative Vintage for her and Andromeda. That might be a way to go, but this is definitely the vibe that I'm talking about. Like I need that tropical, fruity, floral, powdered sugar, vanilla of some sort. I don't know. That's just the girl that I am today. That's who I am. I may change my mind soon, but right now we're her. Another one in that same family. If you see Tiziana Terenzi on my channel and you like these that I'm talking about, I have a 40% off discount code. Type in Cheraye 40. That discount code is going to go from 7.5, I believe, to 7.19. Just try it. Type in Cheraye 40. Cheraye 10 is always active. But yeah, Cassiopeia is another way I considered going. I was like, because this is really good. They're all in that same family. Oh, gosh, this is good. This is a little bit more sweeter. This is a little bit more sweeter, a little bit more fruitier, fresh. This is passion fruit, rose, lily of the valley, tonka bean, musk, sandalwood. I don't even know why I'm playing. But is this too sweet and too fruity? I don't have to worry about bugs because I'm not going to be outside. But oh my God. Okay, I don't know. I think Andromeda is still winning over Cassiopeia because it's just so good. But you guys, to be honest with you, if you love that fruity, tropical, sweet, melon, sugar, powder, vanilla, sandalwood, rose, musk, lily of the valley type fragrance, this right here is amazing. And Alma Divina pairs amazing with both of these. So yeah, you can't go wrong. So these were both in the running. And then there's that classy girl inside of me that's still itching to get out because I'm going to wear a blazer. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where I'm putting it at. I'm putting it on Instagram. I'll probably try and get a few clips and insert them in a video, whatever. But yeah, that classy girl still lives inside of me. What in the world is this on my hands? Girl, the ghetto. Anyways, yeah, so I thought about wearing Elixir by Roja. Now, we all know this is a beautiful fragrance. This is a bottle. Absolutely gorgeous, right? However, girl guy, it doesn't have the best longevity. It's amazing. It's soft. And that's why I considered this because it's so soft. You know what I mean? It's not going to disturb. Don't worry. It's not going to disturb the piece. I may be up to 5 or 6 fragrances now at this point. I don't know. But that's what it is. Oh my God, it's good. So this is a classy lady. Like I said, I'm wearing a blazer, a cream blazer with gold buttons. Oh my gosh. And I'm pairing it with jeans. Okay, relax. I'm trying to I was talking to my mom and I'm like, I'm going to wear it with jeans. And she's like, good, because you don't want to go too dressy. Excuse your mom. Anyways, fruity, sweet, floral, bergamot, raspberry, peach, musk, vanilla. You see cedar, so it has that sweetness to it, but even spraying it right now, it's not doing too much. And I sprayed it in my mouth because now I'm tasting it. That's how you know you sprayed too much. But anyways, yeah, this is the vibe of this one. Very classy, very refined, not too in your face, signature scent worthy, work appropriate, church appropriate. Is it giving sexy? It's giving like a first date kind of sexy. I say that a lot when it's not giving a whole lot of hot and heavy because I'm definitely a hot and heavy. This is definitely giving a first date, meet the parents, classy type of sexy. I move on. So let's just say this one is definitely not going to be sprayed any more than it's already been sprayed. Then the other one I consider, because I love this and I've been spraying this like crazy too. This is Elysium by Roja Parfum as well, you guys. First of all, can we get into the bottle? The bottle's absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. I mean, it's iridescent, it's gorgeous. This has a little bit of everything in it. I had to look at the notes real quick. It's Burberry, bergamot, mandarin, peach. It's got freesia, magnolia, musk, pink pepper, sandalwood, cedar wood. So you see what I mean? It's got like all the notes. It's got the sweetness to it. Can you guys tell what's going on right now? I'm wearing everything. I'm wearing, oh my God, that's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, that's all I'm putting on of this one. Another one, 10% off, Twisted Lily. Check it out. It'll be linked in the description box for you below. This is good. Longevity, it's moderate. It's not gonna be a beast. It's not in your face. It's not gonna be there for like way hour into the weeds of the night. It's just not gonna do that. Not for me, it doesn't. Fragrances are subjective. Everybody is different. Spray at your own risk, spray at your own will, spray as many as you want. But for me, I get a moderate longevity, nothing over the top, nothing too long. Yeah, that's what I get from it. But this is a beautiful fragrance. Then I thought about being that fresh, clean girl, because I'm like, I am wearing kind of cream and white. It is summer. It is like 113, okay, outside. I don't know what's going on with the weather. Weather, what are you doing? I mean, I know it's supposed to be summer, but this is ridiculous, okay? This is ridiculous. I have to find something else to do with my hair because this is not gonna work. Anyways, back to the video, I digress. Bergamot, lavender, vetiver, cedar, patchouli, sandalwood. It's woody, it's beautiful. I thought about wearing Initials Rehab because that's very fresh, very clean, right? Oh God, yeah. But I thought like, it's not gonna give enough. Like this is normally what I wear when I go get my hair done, my nails done, I run errands, I go out for the day. I don't want to be in anybody's face or disturb the peace. I'm going to the mall, I'm going shopping. This is typically the type of fragrance that I would reach for that. So I'm thinking it might be, excuse you, I am talking to the besties, hello? I'm thinking this might be too light, but for those of you that like a lighter fragrance and you don't want something too in your face and you do want something that you can just quickly pick up, reach for, grab and go, consider Rehab by Initial. This would be a fabulous choice. I move on. Musk Therapy is another one. It's very fresh. Another one, fresh, clean. It's really good. I have no more places to spray. Sheree, what are you even doing? Yeah, but I knew. No, this is another one. Like these ones I reach for, like those fresh, clean, lavender. They're typically my errand scents. When I'm gonna go run errands, when I'm coming from the gym and I just want to spray something on, when I'm not gonna do too much, when I'm just chilling, when I'm working and I want clarity. Because fragrances are a mood lifter, you guys. They do something for your mood, especially if you have memories attached to them or tied to them. They definitely can boost your mood or elevate your mood or whatever it is. You know, they definitely play a role like that. And this one here just always makes me like fresh, clean, calm, zen, relax. Let's chill. It's one of those, remember? Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, so yes, Musk Therapy will be linked in the description box below. I move on. And this is a fragrance that I'm taking with me. I'm putting in my handbag. And I'll explain. So I always carry a fragrance with me in my handbag, and today's fragrance that I will be putting in my handbag to carry with me, I'll probably go into the women's room or the powder room after the event is over and freshen up, and then I'm gonna go meet my guy for dinner, and I'm gonna be wearing this one by KILIAN, and this is Good Girl Gone Bad. I bought the set of 4, so I have 4 inside of there, and then I just got this cute little case to go with it when I purchased it, and inside of here, this does come apart like this, and then you just take it out and you fill it up and put a new one in. So these are a refillable bottle here. I stumbled upon this when I first moved back to LA, probably within the first or second year. People were talking about KILIAN and they were talking about Good Girl Gone Bad. And of course, the name alone had me intrigued. I'm a good girl, but I always say I like to go bad. Not like that kind of bad, but I mean, okay, don't get it twisted. I'm just saying. This is white florals. This is jasmine. It's fruity. It's beautiful. It's orange blossom, osmanthus, tuberose, amber, cedar. It's perfect for spring and summer. I haven't worn it in a really long time. I have a ton of memories attached to this fragrance, and it's really good and it's sexy. And for me, it's long lasting. I do spray heavy, and like I said, I have the travel size, so typically whenever I'm gonna go powder my nose or if I'm getting out of my car or anything like that, I tap off. You know what I mean? Let me know. Weigh in here in the comment section. When you carry your travel sprays with you, do you top off? Like before I'm gonna go in and greet somebody, I'll spray just a little bit to top off. And when when I get out of the car. If I go to the ladies' room, after I wash my hands and do everything, I'll put some hand cream on, and then I'll top off a little bit. Just certain things. If I'm going on the plane and I know I might need to bury my head inside of my shirt, I might tap off again. So yeah, so this is going in my handbag. This is going to be my fragrance of the night when I get done with the whole event and the panel and everything like that. I'm going to wear that one to dinner tonight. But I honestly, seriously think, and thank you guys so much for your help and just for listening to me and letting me ramble and talk, because it's something you really do have to talk through. You know what I mean? Fragrances are very important. And although we get dressed and we do hair, makeup, or guys, when you get dressed, you cut your hair or you beard or whatever you guys do. Okay, my guy don't have no hair, so all he do is shave it and then put some oil on it and some type of spray that I'll be like, spray this on your head because it smells good. If you know, you know. So therefore, that's what you do. It's the last thing, the last accessory you go out with is, what is my fragrance gonna be? And that plays such a huge role for me. So today I'm kind of stuck, but my face lit up and I kind of sort of felt the most vibes for today's event and what I'm going to be doing with Andromeda. So I think my fragrance of today is going to be Alma Divina body oil with a spritz of Valaya, because at this point, you guys, to be honest with you, I can't even live out the door without just putting on a little Valaya. Please don't judge me. If you have a fragrance like that, leave it in the comment section below. Like, me and this fragrance go together real bad, like real bad. We do. And I love it. So, but not too much of that. The star of the show is going to be Andromeda, and I think I'm gonna tap it off with a little bit, just a tad bit of Creed. Girl, just shame the devil and tell the truth. You wearing all of these fragrances. Is that bad? Please, I don't want to know your judgment if you don't have anything nice to say. Like a mother used to say, or my grandmother used to say, don't say nothing at all. Don't come over here with your judgment. I love fragrance. I love it. It makes me happy. I love talking about it. I love sharing it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, you guys. I'm really heading out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I want to share this whole experience with you. Anything that I can capture on my phone or on my camera, because I am taking my camera, I will share that with you. So make sure you're tapping in for the videos. If you've enjoyed the vibe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you come over and say hi. Like I said on Instagram, slide in the DM, introduce yourself, say hi. It's really fun over there. I share a little bit of the same, but a little bit more of a different thing over there. Check the description box for all of the fragrances, because I have discount codes for most of these, and I am running a promotion with Soy Vanguard right now with Nishane, Tiziana, Terenzi, Canto. There's a 40% off going on right now. It's Cheraye 40. Most of the site, it's Cheraye 30, and you could get 30% off. And then for Mind Games, it's Cheraye 10. So there's huge savings going on. So make sure you check out the discount codes in the description box, along with everything that will be linked on the screen here, all my personal links. So I'm thanking you in advance for your support. I appreciate you. I think that's it, you guys. I have so much stuff on my desk. I mean, you have no idea. I'm about to do a whole nother video. So if you see me in this suit or this outfit again, it's not the same video. Click on it, support it, watch it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share the video. Just hit a button, because over here, that's what it's about. We just want to make sure you hit a button. I love you like I love cooked food. I'll see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.